Hello, it's Maaike, and today I've got another video. I'm going to show you the gorgeous new dye, but I'm also going to show you the paper I've used. The dyes are sponsored, the paper is bought by myself, but since I was crafting and I love the dye, but I also really love the paper, and I thought I'm going to share it both. So here we go. And this dye is sponsored by Scrap Diva. It's available from March 1, so it's coming soon. And this is a 3D vintage storybook. And yes, I just love it. It's gorgeous. And yeah, it's just a fun, different dye. And this is my second one because the first one I totally messed up. So I went looking for a tutorial, and Jane Gaskell really helped me with her tutorial. And yes, it's so beautiful. You have to be careful when you're crafting this box. It has to be neat. So, and sometimes I'm a little bit too quick. But for this time I took the time, and it's gorgeous. So yes, here we go, and look at this book. It's just beautiful. I can measure it for you. It's let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5.5 inch in the length, and the wide 4-ish. But yeah, it's such a great gift book, or maybe as a mini album. It's just beautiful and super sturdy. It's just, yeah, beautiful. I just think this is so genius, this dye. This is gorgeous. You will all love it. And yes, while crafting with the new paper, I got it on Friday, and this was the first day I could use it, and I just love the paper because I saw it online and I thought, whoa, this is something I need. When I received it, I thought, well, not really sure. I wasn't not really sure what it was going to be. But the second I started crafting, I was in love. Look at the colors, it's just gorgeous. So I'm going to stop here. If this video is fine for you by seeing only this gorgeous dye by Scrap Diva Designs, then it's fine. If you want to know more about this gorgeous paper collection, then stay tuned. And maybe you can see my kitten, because he is coming all day, but now for now he is in the corner, so maybe he is going to sit there. But yeah, it's gorgeous. And it's all about the Simple Stories Tea Garden paper collection. And I bought the essential kit and one package of floral bits. And in this essential kit you will find 12 double-sided papers, and they're all unique. Stickers, simple pages, page pieces, chipboard and journal, and bits and pieces. And yeah, let me show you. But you can see it already, it's gorgeous. Yeah, if you don't like those colors, then of course it's not gorgeous. Simple as that. But if you are into green and pink, then this is yours. I just can't get over it. It's gorgeous. So this is the first one. Yeah, you can see it's those gorgeous colors. Also this one, it's just beautiful. And the back, luckily, it's like this. So I can cut it all the way and can use this piece. I love it. Then we've got this gorgeous different color scheme paper, and it reminds me of Doodlebug because they also they have this a lot, and I always use it for small cuts or die cuts or embellishment. So I always love this. I really appreciate it. And yeah, you can see this is the color of this collection, and it's gorgeous. And when you are going to turn it around, you will see these tiny flowers. It's a little bit green on the camera, maybe it's blue, but it's a light, I would say it's really light minty green. So yeah, it's really cool, but I'm going to use this. Then we've got those super gorgeous hanging flowers. They are beautiful. And the paper, it is so strong, it's such a good quality. I love it, and oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I know this gingham, you can see it all the time, but yeah, I love it and I really love this color. So yeah, really my favorite. Then we've got these tea cups, kettles. Yeah, I normally don't like this, but yeah, who knows, maybe it can surprise me. But for sure, for fussy cutting it's a lot of fun. But the back is more my cup of tea. Ah, I'm so funny, sorry. And yeah, I just think this color is so pretty, I love it. And look, this is just gorgeous. Those tags, those colors, it's just spring, it's fun, it's warm, it's sunny, it's, yeah, it's everything you want. We've got this little one. At first I thought it was a gnome, but now I can see clearly it's not. So yeah, spread a little kindness. I really love the frog, but oh, I love you so much. Well, we all love it when you're a snail maker, but yeah, gorgeous. This one's also really pretty. Well, and this you probably know by Simple Stories, but this is something when you're using the text in your album, and yeah, then this is perfect, of course. So yeah, really lovely. Then we've got those cut aparts. Yeah, what can I say? Life is good at the moment. So yeah, this is just no rain, no flowers. So true. Yeah, it's just amazing. Oh. You can see it's warm, not only by the colors, but also by the message of this paper. It's really here to bring the joy, and look. This is just amazing. Then we've got, yeah, pure sunshine. And as I said before, it's all about spreading love. That's where this collection is about. It's cute, it's sweet, it's... If you are crafting with it, you will get happy. If you are receiving it, then I think you are going to get more happiness in your life than you had that day, because oh, and look, wow, gorgeous. And you know what, when I received it I thought, oh no, not really sure, but oh, I was wrong that minute, because wow, beautiful. Love makes everything grow. Yes, of course. We all need some love in this world at the moment. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Smell the flowers. Yeah, beautiful. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. I think this one I am, and this one maybe for a birthday card. But yeah, gorgeous. And of course those flowers, the fussy cut. Well, pink one, pinking, love it. And now you can see, because I already have crafted, so it's a little bit, yeah, I have used it, so I can't show you this anymore, but yeah, you have to do with it. You can see what it is. So they always have those small cut aparts. I don't use it. I think why I don't get it that much, but I like the small craft. So of course you can use it. If you can cut it the way you want, of course. But look, this is so beautiful. I had to use it. Yellow, white and pink. Beautiful. Then we've got this one. This is got a 70s feeling, 70s. And I've used it in the inside, but look, isn't it gorgeous? So pretty. It's really that golden brown. I love it. And then the back, yeah, this is such a pity, because we all know over here there were flowers and I didn't mention. Yeah, I knew, but I didn't pay attention enough while I was die cutting it. Oh, I was this, it's behind this paper. I got out my machine and I thought, no, what have I done? So yeah, that's really a pity, since there is just one and now I don't have it. But yeah, there is a lot of other gorgeous paper, so nothing to worry about, of course. Then we've got those. Yellow as a background, little flowers, so beautiful. This one is my least favorite, I think, but you never know. And then we've got this. And this part, what is missing, is over here. It's this one. Look, beautiful. So yeah, those cutter parts I'm definitely going to use. Also those. I will cut these out and use it with other details. But yeah, I think this is so much fun and cuteness. Oh, love it. Then we've got some tea bags, and I really loved it. Normally, just like tea kettles, it's not my cup of tea, sorry. But it really was drawn to me. I really love the colors. And yes, I've used it in my little book. Look, it's gorgeous. So yeah, I really love it. And I love this yellow. I've had it by Maggie Holmes, I think, and it was my favorite. So yeah, I'm really happy they have it as well. And of course, you also get this sticker sheet, 12 by 12. And yes, look, gorgeous, pretty. So beautiful. Hello spring. Because I was doubting, I got a doubt when I received it, and at first I saw this. And I thought, oh no, is it too childish? Is it too not me? But luckily, it's gorgeous. It's so beautiful. And it's so cute. And it's beautiful. All those sentiments, of course. It's all good. And there was another one that I already have used it. Ah yeah, Walking on Sunshine. So yeah, really beautiful. Then in this collection kit there are these chipboard stickers. Springtime. Let me do it like this. And this. Oh, beautiful. This is so gorgeous, so beautiful. Those colors, it's just, yes. Then you also get these page pieces, sorry, and those journal bits. And I already have put it out and yeah, used it, so it's not really coordinated with the bags anymore. But I thought I can show you like this, because you don't want a video 10 minutes longer maybe while I am showing you each. But if you want, of course I can do it, but I'm not sure if you want. So here you go, you can see it like this, I think. So this is the page pieces, they are bigger. Look, you can see it, lovely day, it's a bigger one. Then we've got the journal bits, and this is always fun to layer up. Of course, you can use your journal like a scrapbook thing, but I don't scrapbook really. So I'm using those for my layers, and it's always beautiful because there is nothing here. So I can put something else. So yeah, really lovely. Those are gorgeous. And this is also really fun. There are some small, I will show you, strips of paper. Look, that's so much fun because you can use it over here bijvoorbeeld. For example, it was my Dutch. You can use it like this, for example, but I used it, and this is also the same, but in different, without those edges. And I thought, oh, that's so much fun to use it like here. I saw it at Scale, and I thought, okay, that's what I'm going to do. So, yeah, I think this is really fun. It's small. It's a small touch for your craft. But yeah, details does matter. Then we've got the floral bits. Sorry, bits. And, well, almost 80 pieces. But here you go. Gorgeous. Yeah, you can see why it's lovely. And of course, it's not, if it's not your colors, yeah, then maybe you don't like it. But if green, pink is your favorite, then this is yours. So yeah, thank you for watching. I really hope you like this combination of my paper and of my gorgeous album. I just love it. So thank you for watching. See you next time, and yeah, let me know what you think of it. Bye bye.